Ramen. Not like ramen noodles, like out the package.
The real stuff.
Like the real thing. Trying to. Trying to.
Good. So how you do it?
God.
God?
They ain't believe in us. God did.
God.
Oh, okay. What did he tell you?
Okay. Hope I don't get copywritten for this because I got Umi Says playing in the background. Shout out to the legend Mos Def, even though you came from my dog. We're gonna talk about that another day. What's up, y'all, man? Welcome to whatever this is. I continue trying something new, man. Trying to make some cooking content. Why? Because people are just doing whatever at this point. I'm just trying to get money. You feel me? I'm just trying to get a bag.
Show me the money.
Actually, though, I'm doing this one because I just want to try something new. I give a lot of respect to those who make content in various ways, whatever works for them. And then also, too, I want to kind of document myself and my journey with health. I think the older we get as people, one of the most important things to do is to always make sure we're finding new ways to be better, but also to find ways to be healthy. A little backstory about me. I have had stomach problems since, 28? Jeez.
I'm old.
Stomach problems since I was about 19 years old. And when I mean stomach problems, it's just simple things like I bloat easily, excessive gas, a lot of discomfort on a day-to-day. And I've had stomach doctor tests done before and seen the gastrologist. Just saw another one the other day. And even though I'm not lactose intolerant, he did recommend that I go dairy-free for a couple weeks. And when he first told me, I said, brother, we can't do that. But then I sat around and I thought about it. And I'm like, one, I just paid this man. He's giving me some sort of advice. I should probably take it. And two, it's like, dairy's not really good for you, period. Like, we gotta call a spade a spade. I know folks might have their thoughts, but as far as the consumption of it, it's not, doesn't mean I'm gonna go fully dairy-free my entire life. I don't know. Right now, it's just for the next two weeks for sure. Also, just want to try something new, man. I want to document my health journey and trying to be a healthier person. Getting older, and your body starts to feel a little different the older you get. So today, I'm going to make ramen. But these are like, brother, shiitake mushrooms. And another thing that I'm trying to cut out is sunflower oil and canola oil. Anyways, one of the greatest lessons I've learned in dealing with being uncomfortable is that the best teacher is to be confident in your thoughts and beliefs. It's not necessarily about being perfect. I used to be so driven in being perfect with everything that I do. I want to feel like that. I feel like if I didn't do something right, then I was a failure. I feel like if I did not create the most perfect thing possible, then my life was over with. Remember, growing up, I think a lot of times I wanted to be perceived as more better. If that makes sense. Like, I wanted people to tell me how great I was. I wanted people to tell me that I was meant to be the best, just so I can convince myself just a little bit that I'll be able to do it. Because many times I used to suffer with self-doubt and even struggle with self-esteem a little bit, where I just didn't believe in myself at all. And I used to force myself to do all these various challenging tasks, knowing my heart wasn't really in it, but just so I can feel seen as a person. And I think that's the best lesson I learned, is that you gotta be seen for yourself, not seen for other people. As I'm struggling to open up this chicken broth, but I hope y'all find that truth to work in your lives too. It's not about being seen by people. I think we spend so much time trying to seek validation. I say it, in my actual pod content, but we seek so much validation in this world to kind of feed a temporary feeling. And what I mean by that is like we want people to tell us how great we are, but we don't believe it ourselves. We want people to show us that we're capable of being loved because we don't think we are. We show so many different things, or we want be shown these different things so we can believe it ourselves. But sometimes you learn that it's never going to be enough if we don't believe it ourselves. So we got to believe it ourselves, you know. That's just the best thing that I've learned. So we got to navigate our own space and our own thoughts the best way. You know?